More than 80 Maui and Honolulu police officers are back on their home islands after a week of duty at Mauna Kea. Honolulu's police chief told lawmakers today public safety on Oahu was never compromised during their absence. Gina Mangieri is always investigating and has more on statewide issues still pending about police authority at Mauna Kea.
Well, Maui disclosed the extent of its Mauna Kea operation for the first time, and a legal challenge that was supposed to get a hearing tomorrow was waylaid in court by what HPD says is a jurisdictional issue, but a plaintiff's attorney characterizes as a bad faith maneuver. Always Investigating has confirmed 25 Maui police officers have wrapped up 8 days on Mauna Kea and are back on the Valley Isle. MPD tells me Hawaii County's police chief asked Maui's chief for help and that the state attorney general's office will be reimbursing travel and overtime expenses. That's the same agreement Hawaii County made with the Honolulu Police Department for its 56 officers and equipment that served for a week and were called back home this Monday and Tuesday. Both Maui and Honolulu County Police Departments are still on the hook for the officers' base salaries during the period. As Always Investigating was first to report, Council member Heidi Tsuneyoshi filed a resolution earlier this week demanding HPD answer to cost, authority, and public safety questions about the deployment. Council member Ron Menor asked in a letter too. Today, Chief Susan Ballard answered some of their questions face to face.
You're saying that all the officers that went up to the Big Island didn't affect any of the coverage in any of our areas?
Correct, because the officers who went up were from different specialized units within the department, as well as our major events division. Patrol was not touched.
Also today, Always Investigating has tracked a legal ping pong going on between state and federal court involving a lawsuit that alleges Maui and Honolulu County Police had no authority to go to Mauna Kea in the first place. While natural disaster shared resources are more common, state law dictates inter-island policing is only valid on cases that originate in an officer's original jurisdiction. The plaintiff told us his challenge still stands, even though the officers were recalled.
How can we be assured that they just don't come back the following week?
Chief Ballard told the Honolulu City Council HPD officers could be needed again off-island.
I'm not going to rule out that we will not go up again if Hawaii County or any other police department, whether it's Kauai or Maui, are in need of our assistance. We will do that because we're a very small island and we have to help each other out.
A state judge had set aside time Friday for a TRO hearing in the police powers lawsuit. But Honolulu's Corporation Council filed a notice of removal to federal court, effectively mooting any TRO hearing and making the plaintiff refile federally. Kalani Flores' attorney told the federal court it was a bad faith move that deprived the plaintiff of his imminent hearing date to address imminent harm. Plaintiffs asked it to be remanded, sent back to state court, something Maui and Big Island's police chiefs did not oppose. After that, Chief Ballard said state court would be fine again, but the TRO calendar had already been waylaid. Now, a federal judge is holding a hearing tomorrow afternoon on remanding the police authority lawsuit to state court. We'll follow up. Back to you.